Yeah, welcome to this tutorial. So I'm going to walk you through on how you can design a simple flyer like this, and this for people that is doing electrical stuff. Maybe for people that is selling shop, you can design something like this for them as their flyer. Alright, so I'm going to walk you guys through on how you can design this simple flyer. It's very easy. Alright, so if this is your first time seeing my video or watching my video, please do it to subscribe to this YouTube channel. In this channel I drop video every day on graphic design, and right now I'm teaching about flyer design. You can check other videos I've treated and the theoretical aspects of graphic design, logo design, and right now I'm into flyer design. So if you go under my channel, you will see a lot of video there. Alright, so today we are going to see how we can design this simple flyer. I have imported a flyer for those who have not seen Pixellab before or have not used Pixellab before. If you want to import an image from your gallery to this place, all you have to just do is click on this plus sign here. Then you will now see where they write from gallery. Then you click that from gallery. Then you will now choose which image you want. Alright, so if you still want to know all the features about this Pixellab, I have already created a video on it where I treated all these features, how they works and everything about it. So let's not waste time on the feature. Let us see what we can do for about this flyer. Alright, so I'm going to resize it so that we start. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to get all this text before. Alright, so let us start with the test before. Now if you want to get test, all you have to do is click on this A. This A is for test. Alright, so for those who have not seen Pixellab before, this A is for test, then this one is for shape, this one is for background, then this one is for effect. Alright, so we click on A there sorry, then we click on this plus sign here for us to add our text. Then we click on edit. Very simple. Alright, the first thing we have to do is just write the person's name. For example, I'm going to use DVTech as an example. Alright, so then we are going to resize it. If you want to resize, use this this button there. We're going to resize to something like this. Alright, the next thing we are going to do is give it a color. So we are seeing everything from here. So everything that we see here is what we are going to do here. So let us choose our color by going to color. Here is color. Just click on color and let us check the color we want, which is blue. Here's the color. So here's the color I'm going to make use of. Alright, then the next thing that we are going to do for us to get the exact thing we are seeing in this flyer is to change the font of our text. And for you to change the font, all you have to do is click on this font here, this AB, and you will see where you change your font. Alright, so these are different fonts you can use. So for this tutorial, I'm going to make use of this one here. When you scroll down, you will see something like this. So I'm going to make use of that one. Just click on it and then click on OK. Alright, so I think we have gotten a similar something to what we have here. Alright, so let us place it this way. Now the next thing is to add another text, which is electricals. Alright, you type electricals. So electricals. Alright, then keep it this way. You will reduce the size a little bit, is okay. Then keep it this way. Then come to color. We are going to change only the color this time around. Just choose black color. Alright, so it's okay. And this one, let us resize this one smaller again. It's okay this way. Then keep it like this. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is what we offer. Let us treat this what we offer first. Alright, so you go to test again and write what we offer. And note that when you're designing a flyer like this for somebody, you have to ask the person what he or she wants. So don't just go and design anything and give the person. Alright, so let's keep it this way. I'm just trying to resize it to get a better result. Alright, so we are going to give it the same font as this DVTech here. the same font. Alright, so the easiest way to do this thing, instead of trying to do all these things afresh, is just to copy this one. If you copy it, then you edit the text. Alright, so let us do it now. Let me copy this text now. I've copied the text it now. Then you click on edit. Then you now write what you want, what we offer, right? What we offer. Then if you notice this is in small letter, for you to make it to be in capital letter, all you have to do is click on this T here, and it will turn it to capital letter, all the text. Then click on OK. So you see we have gotten the same thing in Flyer. So we can now delete this one by clicking on delete here, or you click here, anyone. Alright, so let us resize. It's okay. Let's keep it this way. Alright. Now the next thing is just to add this home electrical appliance and appliance for electrical works. Is what I mean on this write-ups here. Alright. First one is home electrical appliance. So I'm going to import a sticker. So the sticker is this one here. I can't show you with this mark that I'm recording, so I'm going to import a sticker. If you go to your sticker, you still get the same thing. Alright, so now first one is home electrical appliances, and the next one is what? Let me check. Just click on OK. Appliance for electrical work. Then click on edit. So for electrical work, click on OK. So you have to do is keep it in this way. Then resize it a little bit. It's okay. Just keep it this way. I think it's okay this way. Yeah, it's okay. Let's resize it a little bit again. Okay, I think we are almost done. We're almost done. Okay, it's okay this way. Sure. I'm just trying to get the perfect match to our design here. I think it's okay this way. Let us unlock some of these things that we are, some of our elements by clicking here. For us to lock it, then you click on these key icons. If you click on it, it will shine red, showing that you have locked it. And when you touch it, it will not move again. You can see it is not moving. Alright, so the next thing now is now to get these shapes. But first, let's get this thing here. Let me make it to be bold so you can see what I mean. This dot that is here. So let us see how we can do that. Alright, so just go to test, clean this. Then we are going to add only full stop. Maybe you can copy this one and then paste it. You can continue pasting it. It's okay. No, let's continue. Right, I think it's okay like this. Let me see our design so that we know what we are doing. Alright, I think our own is too much. Let's reduce. Okay, I think we have gotten what we want. Something like this. Right, yeah, something like, okay, let us reduce again. Yeah, I think this is it. So the color is orange color. That's the color. Let us put it in orange color. Alright, it's okay. Okay, I think there's a small one that is left, so let us clean one. Okay, it's okay now. Alright, the next thing is now these shapes. Alright, so you come to shape that is here. then click on shapes. So we are going to this opacity here. This opacity, you are going to reduce it to 0. Then you scroll up, you will see stroke width, then increase it, something like 7 is okay. Then you will see color, give it an orange color, then resize it. Okay, alright, something like this. Yeah, we need something like this. I think it's okay. Yeah, alright, so we have gotten this one. The next thing is that there is it has a round corner, so let us add a round corner by this radius. Let us increase it. Okay, 5% is okay. Then we are going to copy this same shape. Let us keep this one this way. Then you copy the shape, then come to edit, click on edit. Then when you click on edit, that is not this one, then now resize. Going to get something like this, I think. Alright, it's okay. Sorry, it's okay. Okay. So now it's now for us to import all this image. So for you to import your image, all you have to do is click here, and you can download these images using a Pinterest app. And I've made an introduction to this Pinterest, how you can use it. Okay, so you click on that plus sign, and you click on from gallery. So you can put any appliances or any electrical stuff you feel like. Alright, so let me place this ones at code only. Alright, let me just lock these shapes so they will not be moving. Alright, so let me put all these. Okay, this one is here. And make sure you remove the background before. Make sure to remove the background. As you can see, none of them has a background. And this one is here. Position it this one. It's okay. And this one, you're going to rotate it. By using this, you're going to rotate it. Rotate it this way. Then there's this size. It's okay. It's okay. So alright, it remains one shape. Let me look for the shape. Oh, it's not here. Okay, it's here. Sorry. The last one is this one. So resize it so that it will fit here. Alright, I think we have gotten everything. Yeah, it's okay this way. So you can just go ahead and lock all of them by clicking on this. Let's lock everything. Alright, so the next thing, I noticed that this text here is in white color. Why that in our design it is black color. So let us put it in black color. Let us unlock it. Here it is. And then here we are going to edit this. Maybe we should keep our own like this. If it didn't enter, then we're going to give it a black color. Alright, I think it's okay. It's okay. And the next thing, and we are done with our design, is just this call to action, which is for more contact this, for more info. Sorry, just go to your text and you put this. Very simple. More info, contact. Let us put our number. So you can put your own number for practice, or your client number. Anyone. Okay, you reduce it to something like this and give it a black color. Then I'm going to position it at the center using this relative position. Then I'm going to click on this one. It's okay. Then the last thing I'm going to do in this design is to give it a background. Alright, so to give it a background, click on this. Then you click on color. So we are not going to use gradients, we are going to use a plain color. Then you click on color. Alright, so I have formed the color, which is this, but I'm going to walk you guys through on how you can get this type of color, because this Pixellab doesn't have a default color like this, so you have to form it by yourself. You have to just click on that color. Then for you to form your own color, you click on this button here, this plus sign button down there. When you click on it, then you now see your color where you can change the color. If you notice, this color is changing as I'm swinging this thing. The thing will be changing. Alright, so and here is what we want as our color. Something like this. Then if you want to get a more clear, you can still use this to get more colors as you want. So I want it to be more like, so you can adjust this to get a preferred color. So I want my own color to be like this. Then after you have do all this, just click on OK, and it's gonna apply. So it's have applied already. If you check, I don't think if the two colors are the same, they are not purely the same. So this is how you can get your color. So just do this. I think it's a very simple flyer, but it looks catchy, it looks professional. Alright, so we are almost done with our design. All you have to do is just click here for you to save your project, and you can save as project, which we save inside this Pixellab, and you can save as image, which we save to your gallery. So thanks for staying to the end of this video. If this video was helpful, please do it to subscribe if you have not, and share this video so that others will learn. Alright, so see you in the next video. By the next video, we continue with this practical aspect of flyer design. So stay tuned. You will get another video by this time tomorrow. See you in the next video.